Okay. Harap sa likod. Harap. Yeah. Forward, up, in, sa right foot forward, right foot. Inhale. Exhale. Napagaling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Blow. Oh, let go, let go. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Hold. Blow. Let's go. Very good. Harap. Harap ni. Okay, harap sa kaliwa. Dali na pet. Harap. Okay. Harap sa likod. Harap. Dali na pet. Dali. Go. Harap sa kanan. Harap. Dali na pet. Dali na. O, iba na dali. Okay, kabalo na uno. Kaharap ka ano? Okay. Bawa sa data. Bawa. No! Yan, yan na no, pag magbaba o sa data. Okay, dampot sa data. Na! Okay. So, balik ka, no? From the start. So, muli ang atong kinubuhat, pag-hapit natin pang-uli, tanan mag-perform. Okay, kumya? Oo. So, from stances, striking, blocking, then blocking techniques. Ano to? Alasa, kaya wala pa yung ito, ha? Alasa, no? Okay. Sunod. Kipugay. Pugay. Forward side, boom. Yan. Attention style. Boom. Open leg style. Boom. Yan, correct. Straddle stance, boom. Forward stance, boom. Backward stance, boom. Forward oblique stance, boom. Tension stance, boom. Okay, that is the basic stances. Let's proceed to 12 striking techniques. Sunod, kay Pugay! Pugay! Forward side, boom! Follow my count ha? So, shout ha, wala sa imingon na ako. Shout diretso. Okay? So, dapat ha, no? Ano yung one? Ha! Ano yun? Okay. One! Two! Three! Four! Five! Six! Seven! Eight! Nine! 10! 11! 12! Tension! Boom! Next is blocking techniques against the 12 striking techniques. Kami! Sunod, kay Pugay! Okay, Pugay! Okay, forward side, boom! So ako'y magkuha ng out, go, out. One! Two! Three! Four! attention. Move. Next is... Sunod. Ha? Wala mo? Ha? Red flag is technique. Wala lang ba? Red flag is technique. So, okay, good. Okay, number 1 is inward block. Wala pa. Okay, position. Attention. Sunod, okay, pugay. Pugay. Forward side, move. Number 1, inward block, move. Number 2, outward block, move. Number 3, rising block, move. Number 4, downward, inward block, move. Number 5, downward, outward block, move. Number 6, vertical block, move. Number 7, inward, forward block, move. Number 8, outward, forward block, move. Number 9, inward, go with the forward block, move. Number 10, outward, go with the forward block, move. Session attention, move. Sunod, bigay. Bugay. Rock to the goal, rock. Right foot forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Go. Left foot forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Go. Attention. Rock sa likod. Rock. Okay. Dikit-dikit. Dali mo lang ka. Dikit. Dali mo lang. Yan, ano lang. Okay, kita itong mistake na nahihirap. Kita mo na. Ha? Uli ang mistake na nahihirap. Uli na. Wala na. Isa pa rin pa yung mistake. Correction. Lawa.
Ilan kayo?